Very good afternoon, dear students. The last class discussed about by using the determinants how to find the x value. Today discuss about solution of linear equation by using the Cramer rule. Very important for the final exam. Definitely asking this model question, 7 marks question. How to find the linear equation by using the Cramer rule? How to find the x and y? Where they are given two linear equation. By using Cramer rule, how to find the x and y values? What is the procedure for the Cramer rule? Means the procedure. Let us consider two linear equations. Consider two linear equations. What are the linear equations? A polynomial equation of degree is 1. It is called a linear equation. So let us consider two linear equations. First linear equation is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. This is a linear equation. First linear equation. Second linear equation assuming a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. First we are assuming two linear equations are a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. Next linear equation is a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Where here x and y are the variables. X and y are the variables. A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 are the constant values in the variable x and y. The variable x and y and A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 are constant values, constants. First let us consider two linear equations. In the both the equation x and y are the variables. A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 values are the constant. Next, let delta. First we are assuming let's delta determined by coefficient of x and y in the variable x. So what is the procedure? Let delta is equal to determined by coefficient of x and y in the given equation. Say in the given linear equations, what is the delta we are assuming? Coefficient of x and y. Coefficient of x and y in the given equations. In these two equations, what is the x y coefficient? X coefficient is a1, y coefficient is b1. Second equation is x coefficient is a2, y coefficient is b2. Everyone understood? You are assuming let delta is equal to determined by coefficient of x and y. Coefficient of x and y values in the given equations. In the given equations, x y coefficient value is nothing but a1, b1, a2, b2. So we are assuming this delta is equal to, we can take determinant. So we can take the x y coefficient value in the given equation. What are the coefficient of x and y values in the given equation? a1, b1. Second equation is a2, b2. Everyone understood this one? What is meaning is determinant of coefficient of x and y in the given equation. First step is we are assuming two linear equations. Here in these two linear equations, x and y are the variables. A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2 are the constant value. Next we are assuming delta is equal to determinant of coefficient of x y value in the given equation. The given equation x y coefficient value is nothing but a1, b1, a2, b2. That is we are assuming delta. Next one, delta 1. So delta 1 is equal to determinant by delta by first column replaced by constant values. What is the constant value here? C1, C2. Determinant by delta by first column replaced by constant values C1, C2. Determinant by delta by first column replaced by constant value C1 and C2. That's why we are writing C1 C2. Second column we can write as it is V1 V2. Everyone understood? Delta we can take coefficient of x and y values in the given equation. Next to delta 1 we can take determined by delta by first column replaced by C1 C2. So next one delta 2 is equal to determined by delta by second column replaced by constant value C1 C2. First column write as this A1 A2. See here how to take in delta value and delta 1 value, delta 2 values means see the delta, assuming as delta is equal to, we can determine by coefficient of x and y values in the given equation. In the given equation, what is xy coefficient value? A1 B1, A2 B2. Delta we are taking xy coefficient of in the given equation. Delta 1 is determined by delta by first column replaced by means eliminating first column replacing by we should write C1 C2, that is delta 1. Column 2 we should write this. Next is we are doing delta 2 means determined by delta y. You can both the values are taken from the delta only. Delta 2 means determined by delta by second column replaced by first column write as this, second column replaced by constant value C1 C2. This is the procedure. Find the x and y values means then finally you can calculate x is equal to formula is delta 1 by delta, y is equal to delta 2 by delta. Because of x values A1 A2 is a x coefficient, that's why we are taking x is equal to delta 1 by delta. Y value, how to find the y value means what is the condition? Y is equal to delta 2 by delta. Because of delta 1 we are eliminating x coefficient values, delta 2 we are eliminating y coefficient value replaced with C1 C2. This is the procedure. First one you are having two linear equations. Here x and y are the constant, x and y are the variables, remaining values are constant values. First we are assuming delta. What are the values we are taking here? We are taking a coefficient of x and y values in the given equation. The given equation, what is x y coefficient values? A1 B1, A2 B2. This value we are taking delta. Next we are taking delta 1 divided by delta y. First column replaced by constant value C1 C2. That is delta 1. Second column write as this. Delta 2 divided by delta y. First column write as this. Second column replaced by C1 C2. Delta 1 means first column replaced by C1 C2. Delta 2 means second column replaced by C1 C2. This is a linear equation. They given two linear equations. Suppose they are given three linear equations. How to find the x and y z values? This only two linear equations. Suppose they are given three linear equations. How to find the x y z values? See that? This is only two linear equations. Very important. Very easy. Suppose they are given three linear equations. How to find the x and y z values by using the Cramer rule. First we are having three linear equations. First one is a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1. a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d1. Here x, y, z are the variable. Here how many variables is there? X, y, z are the three variables, and remaining a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. One more thing, three linear equations. That's right. a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. Here x, y, z are the variables. a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3, d1, d2, d3 are the constant value. Before what we are to say like in also assuming there are three variables is there: x variable, y variable, z variable. So we find the values are x, y, z variable. Before only two linear equations, only two variables x, y variables. So we are calculating x, y values. Here three linear equations there, three variables there: x, x, y, z. Definitely we are find the values of x, y, z value. That's why we are taking x value, y value, z value. By using consider three linear equation, by using the Cramer rule, how to find the x, y, z values. First, let us assuming delta is equal to, in before what you are assuming delta? Determinant of coefficient of x, y values, because of only two variables is there. But here, how many variables is there? Three variables is there. That's why determinant of coefficient of x, y, z values in the given equation. In the given equation 3, what is x, y coefficient value? A1, B1, C1. Second equation, x, y, z coefficient value is A2, B2, C2. Third equation, coefficient value is A3, B3, C3. Delta we can write coefficient of x, y, z values in the given equation. First one is A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Only let us assuming x, y, z, coefficient of x, y, z in the given equation. In these three equations, x, y, z coefficient values is A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. This is a delta value. Next, delta 1. Delta 1 means determinant of or determinant by delta by. First column replace by. First column replace by constant value D1, D2, D3. First column replace by D1, D2, D3. In the two columns right as is B1, C1, B2, C2 and B3, C3. Everyone understood? Delta we can take from the given three equations, we can take x, y, z coefficient values. Delta we can take determined by delta. Determine delta by first column replace by D1, D2, D3. Next one, delta 2. Delta 2. Delta 2 we can take determinant by delta by. Determinant by delta by second column replace by first column, third column right as this. Second column replace by D1, D2, D3. First column and the third column as it is. Second column replaced by D1, D2, D3. Delta 1 means first column replaced by D1, D2, D3. Two columns right as this. Delta 2 means second column replaced by D1, D2, D3. First column and third column as this. Delta 3 means first column and second column as this replaced by third column. Determined by delta by first column, second column as this replaced by third column is D1, D2, D3. First column, second column as this, third column replaced by D1, D2, D3. Before you are taking only delta 1, delta 2 because of the only two variables x and y variables there. But here they are three variables: x variable, y variable, z variable. That's why finally we have to calculate x, y, z value. That's why we are taking delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. After finish the delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, we calculate x, y, z values. What is the condition? Then x is equal to delta 1 by delta value. Next y is equal to delta 2 by delta and z is equal to delta 3 by delta. So now this is delta not 0. Okay everyone, this delta by using the determinant after find the value, that value substitute x is equal to delta 1 by delta value can substitute, we get the value is x. Delta 2 can calculate, delta value calculate, substitute the values, finally we get the y value. Z is equal to delta 3. To applying the determinant, one value getting, that value divided by delta value substitute, we get the z value. First we are assuming three linear equations. Delta we are taking x, y, z coefficient in the given equations. Delta 1, first we are taking delta in first column replace by D1, D2, D3. Second column, third column right as this. Delta 2 is second column. First column, second, third column as this. Second column replaced by D1, D2, D3. Next one is delta 3. Delta 3 is first column, second column as it is. Third column replaced by D1, D2, D3. Delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. All the values we are taking from delta only because of first delta 1 replaced by first column, delta 2 second column replaced by d1 d2 d3, delta 3 third column replaced by d1 d2 d3. This is a procedure. This only questions are important, not procedure. Questions are very important. 100% final exam asking 7 marks question in this method. Everyone understood? Now we are going to problems. Very important. I think everyone understood the procedure how to solving the linear equation by using the Cramer rule. So now we are going to problems. Very important. Very easy. Okay. First question is very important. First question, solve by Cramer's rule. Solve by Cramer's rule. The given two linear equations, 2x plus 3y is equal to 42, and another equation is 5x minus y is equal to 20. Very important this type of problems. 7 marks question. That is a 7 marks question. What is the question here given? By using the Cramer rule. By using the Cramer rule to find the x and y values. First, what are the given equations? Write solution. Given two linear equations. Given two linear equations are what is the given two linear equation? 2x plus 3y is equal to 42. Second equation is 5x minus y is equal to 20. So what is the condition? First let us consider two linear equation. Here already they given two linear equation. Then delta. Let you are assuming delta. Let delta is equal to determinant of coefficient of xy values in the given equation. In the given equation, what are the xy coefficient values? 2, 3, 5, minus 1. 2, 3, 5, minus 1. Minus 5 is there means minus 1 is there. Minus 1 into y is minus 5. Y coefficient value is minus 1. Plus is there? Plus 1. Because what is the delta we are assuming? What are the given equation to take xy coefficient values? The given equation, what is the xy coefficient values? 2, 3, 5, minus 1. Now applying the determinant method is cross multiplication method. I said what is the formula? ABCD, determinant of ABCD is equal to cross multiplication AD minus BC formula apply here. AD minus BC formula apply here. Here 2 into minus 1. After that take symbol is middle symbol is negative 5 into 3. 5 into 3 is equal to 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 5 into 3 is 15. So now what is the delta values? Delta value is minus 17. Sir, how to find the delta means? Delta we are taking determinant of xy coefficient value in the given equation. The given equation xy coefficient value is 2, 3, 5, minus 1. After that applying the cross multiplication method. That is the delta value we are getting minus 17. Next we are taking delta 1. Delta 1 is what? Determinant of delta by first column replaced by constant value is 42, 20. 42, 20. First column replaced by constant C1, C2 value is 42, 20. Second column right as this is 3, minus 1. Here also applying cross multiplication method. AD minus BC. 42 minus 1. Middle take negative 20 into 3. Is equal to 40 into minus 1 is minus 42. 20 into 3 value is 60. So now delta 1 value is minus 102. Everyone understood? Delta we are taking from the given equation, we are taking xy coefficient values. Delta 1 we are taking from the delta first column replaced by 42, 20 is the C1, C2 values. Second column we are writing as this is the delta value is minus 17 and delta value is minus 102. Next we are taking delta 2 from delta first column is as second column replaced by 42 20. First column as is, second column replaced by 42 20. Here also applying cross multiplication method. 2 into 20 minus 5 into 42. 2 into 20 value is 40 minus 5 into 42 value is 210. That value is minus 170 is the delta 2. Delta 2 value is minus 170. Listen question. The given two linear equations 2x plus 3y is equal to 42. Second equation is 5x minus y is equal to 20. Here given two linear equation by using the Cramer rule to find the xy values. How to find the xy values? What is the procedure means? Already given two linear equations, that's where I do directly. Let delta. Delta, what are the values we are taking? Given equation we are taking xy coefficient value in the given equation. What is the xy coefficient value in the given equation? 2, 3, 5 minus 1. Delta we are taking from the given equation. We are taking xy coefficient values 2, 3, 5 minus 1. We are applying the cross multiplication. That is the delta value. Delta 1 from delta. First column replaced by first C1 C2 value is 42 20. Second column we are getting as is. We are applying cross multiplication. Delta 1 we are getting value is minus 1 and 2. Delta 2 from delta. First column went as is, second column replaced by C1 C2 value is 42 20. Now we are applying cross multiplication method. Delta 2 is equal to minus 170. Very easy. Delta means write the xy coefficient values. Delta 1 is from delta, first column replaced by 42 20. This is as it is. Delta 2 from delta, second column. Delta 1 is first column replaced. Delta 2 is second column replaced. Substitute 42 20. Finally, what they are asking to calculate xy values. Then condition is x is equal to delta 1 by delta. What is the delta 1 values? Minus 1 or 2. Substitute the values. Delta 1 value is minus 1 or 2. Delta value is minus 17. Now minus get cancelled. 7 1 ja, 17 6 ja. So now x is equal to 6. Next, what is the y value? Y is equal to delta 2 by delta. Y is equal to delta 2 by delta. What is the delta 2 values? Minus 170. Minus 170. Delta value is minus 17. Now minus get cancelled. 17 1 ja, 17 10 ja. So y is equal to 10. Finally we got the values are x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 10. Now you have understood how to take delta value, how to take delta 1 value, how to take delta value. Very easy, very important for the final exam. This type of question, 7 marks question. Delta we are taking from the given equation xy coefficient values. Delta 1 we are taking from the delta value first column replaced by 42 20. Second column as this. Now we are applying cross multiplication method. Delta 2 from the delta, second column replaced by 42 20. Now we are applying cross multiplication method. We getting the delta 2 will after substitute. X is equal to from is delta 1 by delta. Substitute the values. 17 1 ja, 17 6 ja. X value is 6. So y is equal to condition is delta 2 by delta. Substitute the values and we get the y value is 10. This is a very important. I think you have understood this problem. Next we are going to second problem. Very important this type of questions. I think everyone understood this process of solving the Cramer rule. Very easy, very important. Next second question is solved by Cramer rule. 5x minus 7y is equal to 2. That is the first equation. Second equation is 7x minus 5y is equal to 3. So by using the Cramer rule, how to find the xy values means they given. What is the two given linear equations? 5x minus 7y is equal to 2. Second equation is 7x minus 5y is equal to 3. Here xy variable is there. That's why to calculate xy values. So what is the first condition? Let delta we are taking determinant of coefficient of xy values in the given equation. From the given equation, what is xy coefficient values? 5 minus 7, 7 minus 5. 5 minus 7, 7 minus 5. Very easy. Delta we are taking coefficient of xy values. What is xy coefficient value? 5 minus 7, 7 minus 5. Now we are applying cross multiplication method. 5 into minus 5. After that, take middle symbol is negative. 7 into minus 7. 7 into minus 7 is equal to 5 into 5 value is 25. Minus into minus is plus. 7 into 7, 49. So now delta value is 24. Minus 25 plus 49 value is delta. Next we are taking delta 1. Delta 1 means from delta first column replaced by C1 C2 value is 2 3. First column from delta first column replaced by C1 C2 value is 2 3. Second column right as that's why first column replaced by 2 3. Second column we are writing as minus 7 minus 7. Now applying cross multiplication method. 2 into minus 5. After that x symbol is negative. 3 into minus 7. Delta 1 is equal to 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. Minus into minus plus 3 7 are 21. So delta 1 value is minus 10 plus 21 value is plus 11. Next we are taking delta 2. From delta second column replaced by C1 C2 value is 2 3. First column write as it is. Second column replaced by 2 3. Now we are applying cross multiplication method. 5 into 3 minus 7 into 2. 5 3 is 15 minus 7 2 is 14. So delta 2 value is 15 minus 14 value is 1. After that to calculate xy values there. X is equal to what is the condition? Delta 1 by delta. What is the delta 1 value is 11. Delta value is 11 divided by delta value is 24. Now we are substituting the delta 1 value on delta. Delta 1 value is nothing but 11. Delta is nothing but 24. So 11 by 24. Next y is equal to delta 2 by delta. Condition y is equal to delta 2 by delta. What is the delta 2 value is 1. And what is the delta value is 24. So what is the finally getting x values? X is equal to 11 by 24. Y is equal to 1 by 24. This is a required solution. The given two linear equation by using the Cramer rule. How to find the x values? This is a procedure. First, what are the given linear equation we can take? Delta value we can take from the given xy coefficient values in the given 5 is minus 7, 7 minus 5. That is the delta value. Delta 1 from delta first column replaced by C1 C2 value is 2 3. Second column right as it is. Applying the cross multiplication value, delta value get finally given. Delta 2 from the delta second column replaced by constant value is 2 3. Next first column right as applying the cross multiplication, delta 2 value getting delta 2 value is 1. After what is the condition? Next condition, delta 1 by delta value 11 by 24. So y condition is delta 2 by delta. Delta 2 value is 1. Delta value is 24. So finally we got the xy values. So everyone understood? Next we are going to third problem. Very important this question for the final exam. Okay? Very easy. Next one is third question. Solve by Cramer rule. By using Cramer rule, the linear equations are 3x minus y is equal to 6. 3x minus y is equal to 6. Second one is 2x plus 3y is equal to 15. First equation is 3x minus y is equal to 6. Second equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 15. So now the given two linear equation by using the Cramer rule, how to find the x values. I think everyone understood how to find the x value. So now we are going to solution. What are the given two linear equations is right? Given two linear equations are 3x minus y is equal to 6. Second equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 15. What is the first we are assuming? Let first we are taking delta. Delta which values we are taking? In the given equation we are taking xy coefficient. What is x coefficient value here? 3. Y coefficient value is -1. Anything is not there is like 1. So -1. Second equation, what is x coefficient value is 2. Y coefficient value is how much? 3. So delta value we are taking from the given equation xy coefficient value is 3 minus 1, 2, 3. Now we are applying cross multiplication method. AD minus BC. 3 into 3 9, or else we can write step by step. 3 into 3 minus 2 into minus 1. Whenever we are applying cross multiplication method, middle you can take negative symbol. Don't forget this one. Delta is equal to 3 3 is 9, minus into minus plus 2 into 1 is 2. So what is the delta value is? 9 plus 2 value is 11. Next we are taking delta 1. From delta first column replaced by C1 C2 value is 615. 615 from delta first column replaced by 615. Second column right as this minus 1 3. Here also applying cross multiplication method. 6 into 3 minus 15 into minus 1. Delta 1 into 6 3 is 18. Minus into minus plus 15 into 1 is 15. 18 plus 15 value is 33. Next we are taking delta 2. From delta second column replaced by 615. First column right as this. Second column replaced by C1 C2 value is 615. Here also applying cross multiplication method. 3 into 15 minus 2 into 6. Delta 2 is equal to 3 15 of 45 minus 2 6 of 18. So delta 2 is equal to 45 minus 18 is 33. You know understood? Delta we are taking from the given equation xy coefficient values. Delta 1 from delta first column replaced by 615. Second column writing here is now we are applying cross multiplication method. Delta 2 we are taking from the delta second column replaced by 615. So first column right as is now we are applying cross multiplication method. Delta 2 we are also getting 3. So what is the condition? Then what is the x condition? Delta 1 by delta is equal to, what is the delta 1 value here? 33 divided by, what is the delta value here? 11. So now cancellation. 11 1 ja, 11 3 ja. What is the x value we are getting? 3. Next to y value calculate. What is the condition? Y condition? Delta 2 by delta. So what is the delta 2 value also? 33. Substitute 33. Delta value is 11. So 11 1 ja, 11 3 ja is equal to 3. So finally we got the values. X is equal to 3 and y value also 3. This is a process. Today we are explaining only 2 linear equations. Tomorrow we discuss 3 linear equations. How to find the x, y, z values. So only we are explaining only x, y, z values. They given 2 linear equation by using the Cramer rule. How to find the x, y? This is a procedure. Everyone understood? The left of the question we will discuss tomorrow. Thank you all.